You don't like the light?
Yeah.
You know what you have, Miles? You have some really good bedhead this morning. Your hair looks really good. Are you kissing? Miles, can we change your diaper and then we'll go out and have a great day? You want to read that book?
Choose.
Choose this book. You kissing again? Oh, it's nice.
Case.
Gosh, your hair.